Assuming you're searching for Nexo cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the cost of Nexo will go from here on out. We will investigate the previous costs of Nexo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Nexo is $1.27 and Nexo is as of now positioned #109 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Nexo is 560,011 with a market cap of $713 on 33,596, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost has shown a decent increment of 319% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Nexo was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.1%. Nexo has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Nexo Value Expectation Number Cruncher. Our Nexo Expectation Number Cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models investigate an immense range of elements, from verifiable value information to showcase opinion, to give a far-reaching forecast of Nexo. Just information your ideal time period and see the expected anticipated worth of Nexo. Our number cruncher will produce an exhaustive rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. We anticipate future Nexo cost expectations. Nexo gauge by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Nexo. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Nexo coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Nexo market cap, Nexo volume, and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations. Nexo Value Forecast Synopsis. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $2.69 mark. The typical extended cost for Nexo in 2030 is supposed to be $14.43, with likely change somewhere in the range of $14.3 and $16.39. Long-haul examination recommends that Nexo cost might actually flood to $1,383 by 2050. Nexo is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $1.26 continuously to 2040. With the ongoing cost of $0.27, Nexo holds its ground on the lookout. Nexo Value Expectation 2024. The cost of one Nexo is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $1.53 in 2024. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.83 with the typical cost of $1.58 all through 2024. Nexo Value Forecast 2025. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Nexo is supposed to reach at least value worth of $24. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $12.69 with the typical worth of $32. Nexo Value Estimate for 2026. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $3.34. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.93 with the typical exchanging cost of $3.43. Nexo Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $4.61 in 2027. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $5.83 with the typical cost of $4.75 all through 2027. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. Nexo cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $6.71 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $7.94 with the typical estimate cost of $6.90. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. Nexo cost is estimate to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $9.49 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $11.80 with the typical conjecture cost of $9.83. Nexo Value Expectation 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Nexo, in 2030 the cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $14.3. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $16.39 with the typical exchanging cost of $14.43. Nexo value estimate 231. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Nexo, in 2031 the cost of Nexo is gauged to be at around a base worth of $20.59. The Nexo value worth can arrive at a limit of $24.6 with the typical exchanging worth of $21.17 in USD. Nexo value expectation 2032. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at least worth of $29.61 in 2032. The Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $35.42 with a typical exchanging cost of $30.45 all through 2032. Nexo value forecast 2033. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at least worth of $43.89 in 2033. The Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $51.41 with the typical exchanging cost of $45.11 all through 2033. Nexo value estimate 240. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital money are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with functional applications and far-reaching reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Nexo cost conjecture for 2040, Nexo is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1026 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Nexo coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $877.44, while the typical cost of the Nexo for 2040 is projected to be $931.13. Nexo value conjecture for 2050. Inspecting verifiable execution gives setting, yet it is vital to perceive that previous exhibition isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Nexo is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1,220. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1,383 with the typical worth of $1,276. Nexo value figure facts. What amount will Nexo be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Nexo will have a base cost of $794 and a most extreme cost of $671 per Nexo. Since Nexo is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth changes radically. What is the fate of Nexo? The eventual fate of Nexo is profoundly subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Nexo, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right methodology. This kind of venture isn't appropriate for those with an unbalanced gamble profile. Be that as it may, in any case, a phenomenal venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, Nexo likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing environment. What will be the Nexo most elevated estimate cost for 2024? The Nexo cost is supposed to arrive